Dumpster rental service in Yukon, Oklahoma. Starting a home project in Yukon, Oklahoma? Whether it's a garage cleanout or a major renovation, Yellow Box Waste is the trusted dumpster rental service in Yukon, Oklahoma. We offer easy, affordable waste management solutions for all kinds of projects. With various dumpster sizes and quick, reliable service, we simplify waste removal. From residential cleanups to larger construction projects, our dumpster rental service in Yukon, Oklahoma, is here to meet your needs. Our friendly team ensures you get the right dumpster for your project, with flexible rental terms and fast scheduling for both delivery and pickup. We're here to make waste disposal stress-free. We proudly serve Yukon and surrounding areas, offering reliable dumpster rental service in Yukon, Oklahoma, for any project, big or small. From start to finish, Yellow Box Waste handles the details so you can focus on what matters, completing your renovation or clearing out your space. Ready to simplify your waste removal? Call us at 405-570-4977. Trust Yellow Box Waste for your go-to dumpster rental service. Let us make waste management accessible and affordable for the Yukon community.